YouTube, your boy, not your average hybrid, back with a video, but it's not on the hybrid. As you can see, we got the red 2021 Chevy Spark LT, and today I already got this tinted, and you know, I got a video on it, the 2020 Bio-Hex Vivvid. So I already have this front turn signal tinted, smoked out. So now I'm about to tint the daytime running light. Right here, just a white LED. I'll show you guys if you don't know already. There you go. Yep, as you can see, the white LED. So I'm be tinting that. Not anything crazy or heavy, you know. Just in this. You can't really tell what it is for real. Yeah, it's just it's clear laser tint from Vivvid premium series. So here's, I'm gonna clean up that surface for now, clean the area, then I'm gonna install this. See how it looks. It just looks, honestly, it just looks clear. It's supposed to have like a rainbowy, like laser effect to it. It gets in different light, but yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and install it. And yeah, guys, just ready to see how it looks. If it changes the look or not, just a layer of protection. We about to see. I don't need nothing special, you know. Got my bottle in the water, you know, I'm not super. You know. Wait more. How dirty it was, cause dirty anyway, but. Do the other one real quick. All right, all cleaned off now. See if I can tint this bad boy with no heat gun. That should be easy. So it's just a flat panel, so it should be relatively easy. It's not no curved or anything. If you're doing a curve, I would definitely recommend it. Heat gun, but I'm gonna see if I can do it without one. All right, time for the tint. Some of you may not know, comes in 3 layers. This one right here is just protective film, just keep it from getting scratched or whatever during transport. That comes right off. No stickiness, nothing to it. Then we have the tint right there, and this is right here is just the, you know, the backing layer. So here we go, guys. Alright, that was very easy. It's on there. Just gotta trim the excess so then nice and smooth. Alright, gang. This is some pretty thick tint. I was never thinking it would be really this thick. You really can't really tell. It's real thick. It's thick. I'm just clean up, you know, tuck the edges, you know, all that good stuff. No heat gun. So let's see how it looks. It's all installed, as you can see. No heat gun involved. I really don't even see a difference. Let me know if you guys even see a difference. Yeah, I'm gonna line up both of them. Tinted and not tinted. One thing I can tell is that this one looks like more of a frosted look. I don't really see the rainbow hex or anything like that. And this one just, you know, looks more clear. So just to turn the light on and see, but I don't really see a difference with this tint, guys. Other than it looks like more frosted. Yeah, guys, I literally see pretty much no difference. On the camera's doing that weird flashing thing, but this is the stock one. tinted one. No difference at all. Yeah, I like all. So I'm gonna do the other one. You already seen how I did the first, so I'm just do the other one same way. And yeah, show you guys the finished product. Yeah guys, as you can see, it's real easy to do without no heat gun. It's literally a flat surface, so literally start at one end, use your finger, smooth it all the way down to the other end. Literally no bubbles, wrinkles, nothing. Just cut the excess. And we'll be good. Already, gang. Pretty much showed you guys the process, but boom, we all done. Tinted, and the other side is tinted. Yeah, it just looks clear to me. Literally, it just looks clear. I don't know where the laser effect and where the RGB effect supposed to come in. It's supposed to be all colorful and stuff, but man, just looks clear to me. So, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, just a quick little video installing some tint. Till next time.